Hey you guys, so today I have a haul for you all. I haven't done a sit down video in a hot second, so I'm excited to do this. So I went to Goodwill with my mom and my little sister the other day, and it was actually going to be 50% off the next day. So we went ahead and looked around and found the items and like tried them on, and then decided, okay, this is what we actually want to buy. And then we kind of put it in the back corner of the store. So the next day we went back right when the store opened and everything was still there. I don't know if that was just like luck or if they were being nice to us or if we just hit it well or what. So we literally grabbed it and were able to check out immediately, and we got everything 50% off for just waiting less than 24 hours. Salvation Armies, Goodwills, and local thrift stores, I feel like pretty frequently have really huge store-wide sales. So keep an eye out for that, either like online or on the storefront. You should be able to find something about a sale and wait and purchase until then. Especially if it's clothes, like it'll probably be there. If it's like a big item, you have to chance that it might be gone or that it might still be there, but sometimes that's the fun of it, right? Like if it's meant to be, it'll be there. Now on to the actual haul. So I mostly have clothes, so I just have 3 items that I'm going to show you really quickly first before we get into the clothing items. One of them is this frame. So it has a silhouette of a boy on it, and I just thought it was very Peter Pan / Series of Unfortunate Events like. So I got it because I thought it was really cute and it reminded me of those childhood things. So we got these 2 records. One of them is the Bing Crosby Merry Christmas album. So I'm super excited about that. It's literally just in time for the holidays. And I think that these were 30 cents each, which is crazy. They're originally 59 cents and we got them for 30 cents a piece. So we got that one, and then this one, which is the Steven Spielberg film Empire of the Sun. You've tried this and it's worked, right? Yeah, so she's already played this and made sure that it worked. But honestly, 30 cents is not that big of a risk, so even if it doesn't work, it's totally fine. Now on to the even more exciting things, which is clothes. So I did have a goal this time. Sometimes I go thrift shopping and I just want to go shopping and I don't really have anything that I particularly need. But this time I was looking for sweaters. So I wanted some nice sweaters that I could wear a lot and that could be kind of like basics. I feel like I have sweaters that I don't like love, like they're very worn in. I've had them for years and I want new sweaters, but I don't want to buy fast fashion sweaters. So I was like holding off, not buying any until I could go to the thrift store, and I actually did find a couple. I didn't find as many as I wanted to, but I did find a few really good ones. One that I'm like super excited about. So, okay, before I show you sweaters, I want to show you these earrings before I forget. Audrey found these little blue earrings that have like little dangly detail pieces at the bottom. I love them. They're so freaking cute. And we've been wearing earrings a lot lately. We went a while without like ever wearing earrings, and then recently we've started wearing earrings again. So I'm excited to wear these guys. I feel like they're a really good statement piece without being like annoyingly big, if that makes sense. And they're a good like neutral blue. They have a little bit of green in there, so I feel like they'll go with a lot of things. And they're not too heavy, which is like the goal, right? Okay, so this is one of the sweaters that I'm super excited for. It was originally $5.49. So even like a $5 sweater is super cheap. But I wanted a real bargain, so I waited for it to be like 2 and change. It is this maroon sweater. It's kind of oversized, but not crazy oversized. I know I've gotten some sweaters in the past that I probably should have passed on because they were a little too big. But I think this is like the perfect size. It's super comfortable. It'd be a nice like throw on piece to go over like t-shirts or other long sleeve tops. So I'm super excited about this staple, and it has a really nice neck too. It's like almost a mock neck, but not quite. It's like a cross between like a mock neck and a crew neck. That's what I'm trying to say. Love that. And me and Audrey obviously share our sweaters. So this is one that Audrey picked out. It's a pretty oversized, more of like a sweater dress, and it actually does have a mock neck, but it's sort of the same material and it is just black. It has a little bit of like detailing in the front, like a knitted sweater detail. I have these leather leggings that I have to wear something super long because they're so skin tight. So I think that those will go really well, like the 2 different textures but they're both black. Will go well together. And then this is a t-shirt that Audrey got. I don't really wear much sports wear, so I don't know how much I'll wear this. I'll probably end up wearing it a lot because it's comfortable. But it's just this yellow and blue, like primary color Adidas t-shirt, and it was $5.99, so we got it for $3, which is a bargain. So even if we didn't end up wearing this a ton, we could probably sell it on Depop for at least twice that much. And then I got this H&M like coral colored cardigan that I actually think I'm gonna wear like snapped up more than I even wear it undone. As a cardigan, I'll probably wear it more like a top. But I thought it was really cute. It's a nice color. It's a nice knit. I thought it looked nice quality. It's a size large. And I don't have a lot of colors in my wardrobe. So this is nice. Then I found this really cute cardigan, which I actually think I'm going to give to my mom because I love it. But I feel like it's just so her. So I'll just steal it sometimes. But it's beautiful. It's like this plaid, very like Burberry-esque print. It's just like such a nice fit. It's not too oversized, but it is oversized. It's super comfortable and will look good over like the most basic t-shirt. And then it has these really cute like detailed golden buttons on it. Very classy and gorgeous. This is my mom's jacket as well. So this is $6.99. I found this for her and I love it, but I have a jacket that's very similar, but it is the brand LL Bean, which I love. And it's like this it's not wool, but it's like almost like a fake shearling jacket. It's super comfortable, almost like a grandma-y style, but like classy grandma. I love it, and I would wear it a ton if I didn't have one like literally almost exactly like it. Okay, then this is a sweater that Audrey got, but I'm definitely going to be wearing. It is a Forever 21 like oversized sweater dress. It's not like a sweater dress, it's like a sweatshirt dress almost. It's this really pale purple. It has like a faded wash, but I think that this will be really good either like to wear around the house or over leggings, or even like on its own with a cute pair of sneakers in the spring and in the like early fall. But I thought it was super comfortable and really basic and just like nice to throw on whenever you're having a lazy day. Okay, this is my favorite sweater that I got. It's a hunter green Who What Wear sweater. It's a size large. And this is like that new Target brand, which I love. And I got it for like roughly $3, which is fantastic. So it just has like this nice little cutout tie on one sleeve. I don't typically love that look. Like I think it's cute for other people, but I don't really like it for myself. But for some reason, there's something about this sweater that I do like. It's not too thick, which I like because I'd rather wear layers under sweaters. That way I can take them off as opposed to having a super thick sweater that I can like never wear unless it's literally freezing outside. So I like the thickness of this, and it has a high crew neck, which I love in sweaters. Crew necks are my favorite, or mock necks. I don't really like V's or like scoop necks at all. I feel like it makes my shoulders look broader than they already are, which they're literally, I feel like I have football shoulders. So I like a higher neck. So this just wins in my book, and it's such a pretty green color. It's super soft. Yeah, I think it's just such a good basic for fall and winter. Okay, so 2 more clothing items, and then I actually have 2 books to show you. I don't know why I did that. Ooh. So this is the last top. This is a red t-shirt, which is inside out. It's a Forever 21 top. It's a size large. It was $2.99, so I got it for $1.50. But I liked the little like frilly detailing. I don't know what you would call that. But I used to have so many t-shirts and tank tops that had this detailing on the sleeves and on the neck and on the bottom when I was little, and I love that. And I've seen a ton of people wearing these, but I feel like I've only ever seen them sold by fast fashion retailers, and I don't buy fast fashion, so I haven't been able to get my hands on any. And I know it's been in for like years now. Like it came back around probably like a year or 2 ago, and I finally found one that's by a fast fashion retailer, but I got it at the thrift store, so it doesn't count. So I was pretty happy about that. It was super cheap, and I just think it's a good staple, and I love the color red, so I think I'm gonna get a lot of use out of this guy. All right, last little piece is just this black beanie. It was just super cheap, and we actually don't have a black beanie. We have a navy blue one and like a hunter green one, but we don't have a black one. So we picked this up. It's oversized too, so I think it's a men's, but I like having different sizes of beanies. So I can wear them differently, obviously. And I'm not sure how much it was, probably like $1. All right, the last 2 items are 2 books that Audrey got. And one of them's called Flipped, which didn't they make a movie over this? Okay, I have? What's it about?
It's the girl has a really big crush on the boy, and he's like, ew, get away from me, and they're like in elementary school. And then she ends up developing a relationship with his grandpa, and he starts having a crush on her. Yeah, so she got that book. It's super short, so I'll probably read it soon because I love a good instant gratification short book. And then this other one is not so short. It is called The Knife of Never Letting Go. Chaos Walking Book 1. Oh, so it's a series? Cool. It's by Patrick Ness, and Flipped is by Wendelin Van Dronen. We got through everything. Yay us. That wasn't a ton. And like it was shared between 3 people, but still some really good stuff. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this haul. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more hauls. I do hair videos, fashion videos, hauls, vlogs, pretty much just a mix of everything, lifestyle. But yeah, I will see you all in the next video. Bye!